19 lap O'Reilly Auto Parts mini truck feature is
Bob Johnson, Brady McLean battle for that number 1 position.
Brady McLean going to come across the nose and close the door on Bob Johnson. Jake Beavers gets into the back of the 99 and loses about 6 car lengths, 6 truck lengths. That moves Connor McLean into the second spot. The McLean brothers.
Yes, Brady McLean and Connor McLean 1-2. The only one they're missing, Chris, is Eddie McLean. He's not here.
No, I'm a little surprised. Edward usually got that 443 truck here, and again, some guys that are part-timers, and we get that, but these trucks put on a great show weekend, and we got 4 trucks, rather they got 10.
Yeah, I talked to Eddie at a baseball game Thursday night. We had a little girl softball that came out in Ohio. He said he wasn't going to be ready tonight. He said he had some things to do after last week. But hopefully he'll be back next week. Well, as we're watching this race, we have a familiar face along there. Bobhead's out there.
There's the Bobhead.
Brett Irwin walking through the grandstand with his grandpa Mike. It's always nice to see them guys here.
Still a good battle up front between Brady McLean and Connor McLean. The McLean brothers ring battle. Midvale Speedway, just shy of the halfway mark. 7 laps complete. The cross flags, 8 laps in, 7 to go, halfway home for Brady McLean.
I'll tell you what, Chris, Brady is driving a heck of a race. His brother all over the back bumper corner. Coming out of 4th, Brady's going to still be your leader. Jake Beaver in 3rd, Bob Johnson. Enough for putting up these brand new beautiful lights that shine the facility up really good. We also thank Boulevard for helping out and Mr. Trailer.
Absolutely. We're getting down to it in the mini truck feature. The O'Reilly Auto Parts mini trucks. 2 laps to go for Brady McLean. Trying to see the
Brady McLean comes off a 2 down the back stretch with long tended green. Brady McLean gonna win a feature here at Midvale Speedway. Brady McLean wins it in the 42 truck.